In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate 99% of your content workflow with Zapier, Airtable, and Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that watches your Airtable content calendar, and the moment an item is ready, it creates a neatly named folder in Google Drive along with a pre-filled document. This keeps your workflow consistent, organized, and fast. Start by signing into Zapier. Make sure you can also access your Airtable account and the Google Drive where you want folders and docs created. If you're using a shared drive, confirm you have permission to create folders and files there. This saves headaches later. Before building anything, your Airtable content calendar should be set up with a clear structure. At minimum, include fields like title and status, and decide which status should kick off automation, such as ready. Using a single select field for status helps avoid typos, and a view filtered to that status can make your trigger more reliable. In Zapier, click Create and choose Zap. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. For the trigger, select Airtable. Choose the event that fits your setup, such as new record in view or new or updated record. Connect your Airtable account, pick the correct base and table, and if you use a filtered view for ready, select that here. Pull in a test record to verify you're seeing real sample data like a title and status value. Now add the first action to create a folder in Google Drive. Choose the Google Drive app and create folder. Map the folder name to your Airtable title and consider including the publish date or a short identifier for consistency. Choose the parent directory where all content folders should live. Add another action to create a document inside that folder. Use Google Docs and select Create Document. For the folder field, use the folder ID from the previous step so the doc lands in the right place. For the document title, map your content title. In the document body, build a simple template using dynamic fields from Airtable. Drop in the title, description, outline, and any keynotes so every new doc begins with helpful context. Run a test. Zapier should create the folder and doc instantly. Open Drive to confirm the names, location, and content look right. If anything is off, adjust your field mappings, parent folder, or template. When you're happy, publish the Zap and turn it on. Keep an eye on Zap history the first few runs. Most errors come from missing required fields or insufficient drive permissions. That's it. Your content workflow now builds itself.